encounter of a special kind. My father was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. The officers of company were housed in individual bungalows inside a large campus. Our house was in a corner of the campus. The officers' club was adjacent to the boundary wall of our garden. The compound was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables in the kitchen garden of the household and the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. A group of langurs had even made then lay in an astwa tree nearby. They had all become a part of parcel of our existence and daily life. From the beginning of the lesson, we came to know that Tapan Mukherjee's father, Tapan Mukherjee is the writer of this lesson, and his father was a medical officer. He was a medical officer and he was working in the company for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. पश्चिम बंगालमधील राणीगंज या गावामध्ये कंपनीमध्ये या लेखकाचे वडील मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल करत होते. द ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द कंपनी वेअर हाऊसहोल्ड इन इंडिव्हिज्युअल बंगलोज इनसाइड अ लार्ज कॅम्पस. इट मीन्स all the company members were living in the campus of the large company. Our house was in a corner of the campus. Writer says that his house was a corner of the campus. His house was in a corner of the campus. त्या कॅम्पसच्या एका कॉर्नरमध्ये कोपऱ्यामध्ये त्या लेखकाचं घर होतं. The officers' club was adjacent to the boundary wall of our garden. Officer club, त्या ऑफिसर लोकांचे एक संघटनेचं कार्यालय त्याच्या बाउंड्री वॉलच्या अगदी लगत होतं. The compound was luxurious with green grass. The compound, जर आपण पाहिलं ज्या कॅम्पसमध्ये यांचे बंगले होते त्या बंगल्याला चोहोबाजूने एक मोठं कंपाऊंड होतं आणि ते कंपाऊंड छानपैकी लता बेलींनी वेढलेलं होतं. चोहोबाजूने भरपूर घनदाट अशा प्रकारची झाडी पण होती. इट मीन्स द कंपाऊंड वॉज लक्झरियस. लक्झरियस मीन्स आरामशीर, एकदम आल्हाददायक. विथ ग्रीन ग्रास अँड कलरफुल फ्लावर्स, एकदम हिरवळ, मोठमोठी झाडं, त्याचबरोबर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे कलरफुल फुलं. And a host of tall and majestic trees. It means we came to know that in the campus of the company, in the campus of their bungalows, there were large and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables in the kitchen gardens of the household and the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. Because of greenery, because of beautiful flowers, all the birds, all the squirrels were attracted to the greenery. So also a group of langurs had even made their den in a astwati tree nearby. त्याचबरोबर या कॅम्पसमध्ये सुंदर अशा प्रकारचं वातावरण आहे. या सुंदर वातावरणामध्ये अनेक प्रकारचे पक्षी येतात, अनेक प्रकारचे कीटक येतात, अनेक प्रकारचे फुलपाखरे येतात. त्याचबरोबर त्या भागामध्ये एका लंगर जातीच्या माकडांच्या टोळीचंही वास्तव्य होतं. They had all become a part and parcel of their existence and daily life. It means all they had all become. They means a group of learners had become a part of their daily life. That the group of learners become the part of writer's life. A small incident on a Saturday afternoon had left a profound effect on me. The incident was taken and which has made a profound effect on the writer's mind unfolded before my eyes a whole new dimension. And this thing happened before the writer's eyes to the wonder of God's creation. It was a few days into the puja vacation, just like for any other child. The holidays provided an opportunity for me to become engrossed in various magazines and storybooks published especially for children in the festive seasons. It means the writer was engrossed. The writer was busy in reading the book. The writer was busy in reading the book because it was the day of summer vacation. उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीचे दिवस होते आणि त्या उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीच्या दिवसामध्ये रायटर आपल्या घरामध्ये बसून एक स्टोरी बुक वाचत होता. त्या टायमाला ही घटना घडलेली होती. आफ्टर अ हेवी लंच माय पॅरेंट्स अँड माय यंगर सिस्टर lay down for an afternoon nap. After hearty lunch, after heavy lunch, दुपारच्या जेवणानंतर sufficient and wholesome lunch, my parents and my younger sisters, माझे आई वडील आणि माझ्या लहानग्या बहिणी lay down for an afternoon nap. दुपारच्या जेवणानंतर ते डुलकी करता घरामध्ये विसावल्या. अशा वेळेला लेखक घरामध्ये बसून पुस्तक वाचत आहे. I settled down with a story book. A quiet afternoon presented the perfect backdrop for reading an adventure story. I was reading the adventure book. Who was reading the adventure book? Tapan Mukherjee was reading the adventure book. What kind of book the writer was reading? He was reading the adventure book, adventure story book, and the silence was occasionally broken by the sound of family snoring, the intermittent chirping of house sparrows, a harsh cawing of crows, the shrill call of a kite lying high above the ground. Minutes ticked by. I became deeply absorbed in the book. याच वेळेला वातावरणामध्ये काहीतरी गलका झाला. कावळे उडू लागले, चिमण्यांचा चिवचिवाट होऊ लागला आणि इकडून तिकडे हे पक्षी सैरा वैरा धावू लागले, पळू लागले, उडू लागले आणि मी मात्र माझ्या पुस्तकामध्ये वाचनामध्ये गुंग होतो. सडनली, अचानक, I heard a group of street dogs barking furiously in the distance. आणि काही अंतरावरती आमच्या वॉल कंपाऊंडच्या लगत कुत्र्यांची एक टोळी जोर जोराने भुंकत होती. In the distance, I choose to ignore the commotion. Firstly, the writer ignored the voice. पहिल्यांदा रायटरने त्या कमोशनकडे, त्या गोंगाटाकडे दुर्लक्ष केलं. Thinking that the pack of dogs might have cornered a hapless pig. मी विचार असा केला, एक हॅपलेस पीक, एक अनफॉर्च्युनेट पीक, पीक म्हणजे काय, डुकर, एक डुकरांचा पाठलाग कुठे करत असावेत असा पहिल्यांदा समज झाला. बट सून द बार्किंग बिकेम लाउडर अँड मोर अग्रेसिव्ह अँड द अलार्म काविंग ऑफ द फ्लॉक ऑफ क्रो ॲडेड टू द cacophony. I also heard the disturbance approaching closer. Curiously, got the better of me. Leaving the book aside, I rushed to the veranda to see what was going on. Firstly, the writer ignored all these things. पहिल्यांदा लेखकाने या सगळ्या गोष्टीकडे दुर्लक्ष केलेलं आहे. परंतु कुत्र्याच्या भुंकण्याचा आवाज जसा जसा वाढत गेला तसा तसा रायटरच्या मनामध्ये येऊ लागलं काहीतरी वेगळी घटना घडत असली पाहिजे. म्हणून रायटरने त्याचं पुस्तक ड्रॉप आउट केलं, खाली टाकून दिलं आणि तो उठून वरण्यामध्ये आला. पाहत होतो काय? I glanced towards the roof of the clubhouse and saw something horrible. The writer saw something horrible. त्या लेखकाने काहीतरी एक भयानक दृश्य पाहिलं. ते भयानक दृश्य होतं a big male langur, apparently the leader of its group, was holding a baby langur in its hand and mercilessly biting it all over with a definite intent to kill. मग या रायटरने काय पाहिलं तर एक